Thank you.
और क्या कहना चाहिए? How was the surprise?
I was very surprised. Actually, I was not wearing this. और मेरे friends ने ये पजामा पार्टी का थीम रखा था, मुझे पता नहीं था. So I was very surprised. And they put like a blindfold on my eyes and they got me here. So I've been kidnapped. So Shant has been kidnapped on his birthday, and so I don't know whether my parents know this. I think these guys will tell my parents, and the parents will also come. So
मतलब सरप्राइज से पहले कुछ प्लानिंग थी बर्थडे पार्टी की पेरेंट्स के साथ?
no, because I was doing my tour, so I was singing, and then I was in Ibiza, and then I came back, and so I didn't have a plan, which is what I told my friend, and I was very upset. तो मैंने मेरे फ्रेंड को बोला कि कोई प्लान नहीं है, अगर तुम लोग कुछ प्लान करने वाले हो तो मेरे को बोल दो, बिकॉज आई वॉज सपोज टू लीव फॉर बाली विथ माई मॉम फेल्ट बैड फॉर मी. शी वॉज लाइक तुम्हारा कोई प्लान नहीं है, सो सैड, सो आई टेक यू टू बाली, बट देन थैंक गॉड दैट डिडंट हैपन, बिकॉज अदरवाइज I wouldn't have. I've met my friends after 8 and 10 years. They've come from Bangladesh, and Sanchita has come from Bangladesh, and my friends from the Navy, the Indian Navy, and a lot of people from everywhere. I love it. It's a big surprise for me.
So इतना प्यार में, इतना लोगों से प्यार में, what has been your like as a Bollywood celebrity? So what expect from a birthday night?
Actually, the thing with me is I don't believe I'm a celebrity because I'm a Bandra boy, and so my friends are my friends regardless of whether I'm famous or I'm not famous. वो मेरे लिए पहले आते हैं, तो our designations come later because we've got people from the Indian football team and people from the Indian Navy, which are they are bigger celebrities than us. They're bigger heroes than us, and so we don't ऐसे हम लोग बात ही नहीं करते यार, because we've grown up together. So I don't think वो कभी होता ही है. So but it's a very big surprise, and I'm very very thankful to my friends Rose and Jassi, and that they have kind of got everybody together. My brother, I didn't know my brother was in town, my own brother, so my brother is there. So now I know that nobody is going to mess with me because my brother is like the Hulk. So
Recently, as interview you said that Rekha is an inspiration for you.
Yes.
Why Rekha?
Rekha is a diva, and in my head I am also a diva. I might not be a diva otherwise, but I have grown up watching Rekha and Sushmita Sen, and they are my biggest. I think they are bigger than any Bollywood actor for me, because they've not had. They're independent women. They didn't need men to function, and I think they've done a fabulous job. They are self-made, and I think that's brilliant. I think whether you're a man or a woman, that should be your inspiration, because they didn't have anybody in the industry, and of course Rekha was a industry child, but she had a very rough childhood, and I've seen her after all those problems, those sub adversities के बाद she's on top, and I think, and Sushmita, because I participated in a pageant and I represented India because of Sushmita. In terms of, I looked at her and I said, I want to be Sushmita. I have to be like Sushmita. So, but she went for Miss Universe, I went for Mr. Gay World. So yeah, but it's okay.
Any resolution you want to take?
I don't want to take a resolution because I always break it. So there's no point taking a resolution. I think it's I had.
Any habit you want to change, like?
Yeah, I'd probably want to start keeping fit because I'm 26 now. I'm going to be 27. So till now, my genes have supported me because my mother and father are fit. But I think after now, I'm getting a small stomach and my face is looking fat. So I think I should go to the gym now. Yeah, finally.
Like the Bollywood celebrities doing, like Kareena surrogate mother has taken a son, and as Shah Rukh has also done same. Do you have any plan of future?
I'm too young for this.
I'm into
Yeah, they are all 50 and I don't know how old they are. Very old.
Yeah.
So they're very very old. I think they're in another generation only. They should talk to my parents. And I'll take some tips from them. But if I have to have a surrogate child, I will definitely not have a surrogate, because I can't have a surrogate child in India. But if I have to have it, I think I'll adopt children. But I don't think single men can adopt, right? This in India. But I will probably get married to someone. I am dating someone, but he's not in this country. So yeah, well, I don't know whether he's also going to come suddenly. He'll come and then I'll just faint. So yeah, if that's happening, then I'll go there and I won't adopt. I'll adopt. I want to adopt children. I want to adopt at least 7 children, and I want to adopt Indian children, Somalian children, and give them like a fabulous life. I'm just going to be like, do whatever you all want. I'm there for you. Thank you so much.
Today birthday boy is here and any surprises planning and all.
This is the surprise and like we are so excited today. पूरा group में like we are chatting, नहीं बताना सुशी को ये नहीं करना है वो नहीं करना है. I'm like मुझे इसका expression देखना है. मैं आऊँगी suddenly वो क्या बोलेगा and क्या करेगा. I'm really excited and see, look at him.
Thank you.
So this surprise birthday party is now Sushant used to say कैसा लग रहा है how this surprise birthday party.
I told them. Now you tell them. What plans you? I'm shocked. Like I don't know the guest list, so I don't know who all are coming. But one by one, you.
No, we entered भारती आंटी also ना, तो हम लोग को लगा कभी भारती आंटी बोल ना दे किसी भी तरह से ना. We were like कभी बता दिया ना बच्चे को बोता बेटा तेरी सरप्राइज बर्थडे पार्टी रखा. I was like
नहीं बताया. Thank God नहीं बताया. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कहाँ है. So that was.
नहीं वो तो मुझे भी नहीं पता था ये लोकेशन बहुत ढूंढते I'm like oh I'm gonna friend पहुंच जाऊँ मैं 12 बजे से पहले. I was like पहुंच गई and I'm really excited. मैं seriously पहली बार किसी की सरप्राइज बर्थडे पार्टी में आई हूँ. So this is my first surprise birthday party.
And it had to be me.
Yeah. You're the first one, darling.
Of course, always.
And remember, we're the first one who met in the Big Boss house.
Yeah, first because they threw my suitcase and it nearly hit her on the face because she's short, na. So मेरा
I was standing as
she's standing like that. Now they're throwing my suitcase, so you should move.
I was like, I was not looking the suitcase.
वो
कौन आ रहा है?
हाँ मेरे पैर देख के ना उसने मेरे सेक्सी लेग्स देख के उसको थोड़ा लगा कि शायद कोई स्ट्रेट अच्छा क्यूट लड़का. But then Gigi, it's okay. It's good.
It's okay. We become Gigi from Big Boss.
Yeah.
Any memorable memories you want to share? Like
You have to when you got that business class thing in the aeroplane.
Yeah. मैं नॉर्मल क्लास से
इकोनॉमी
से बिग बॉस इसमें चली गई थी. बिजनेस क्लास में बिजनेस क्लास में
हम लोग ने उसको भेजा था ना. लाइक वी फेल्ट बैड फॉर हर. तो हम लोग ने तुम्हें नॉमिनेट करके भेजा था क्योंकि तुमने अच्छा टास्क किया था.
मैंने अच्छा टास्क भी किया था. मैंने अच्छे टास्क में आप सबको अच्छा आप उसमें नहीं सॉरी मैंने अच्छे टास्क में सबको स्कूटी भी जीताया था. So sorry, you're bad. You're in Sonali's group. So I'm so sorry. But yes, मेरा एक बहुत अच्छा मोमेंट है जो मुझे अभी भी याद है. ऐसे हम वहाँ पे लेजी बैठे रहते थे. कुछ काम नहीं था हमको सिर्फ रोटी बनाने के अलावा. So मैं बैठी रहती थी वहाँ पे. Remember the तिजोरी वाला thing?
हाँ. So there was something एक दरवाजे पे तिजोरी लिखा था. तो ये कहती है कि मेरा लिपस्टिक लेके जाके उधर उसके ऊपर दीपक लिख देना. So it was very sad. We were so frustrated.
We used to crack कुछ भी joke, anything, and we used to laugh on that stupid jokes. So कोई एक मोमेंट नहीं है वहाँ पे. सारे मोमेंट्स है. Everything, किचन में, बाथरूम में और everywhere, बेडरूम में सब मोमेंट है. And whenever we meet वो सारी मोमेंट्स हमें याद आ जाए.
I think also एक मोमेंट था जहाँ पे हम लोग को रंगोली मिली थी और डायंड्रा को वो रंगोली देख के because you know how she changes the hair color तो वो बहुत एक्साइट हो गई थी कि रंगोली. तो हम लोग ने बोला इतना एक्साइट क्यों हो रही है, ये तो बराबर से चपाती नहीं बना सकती, रंगोली क्या बनाएगी. बट देन शी सेड ये हम सबका बाल कलर करेंगे इस रंगोली के साथ. शी कलर्ड her hair. I had horrible red and she colored my hair blonde from the side and I was looking
and she colored her hair green
with the rangoli का colors. So Diwali हमारी बहुत रंगीन
सिग्नल वाली बनी थी.
Correct.
Green and yellow kind.
So that was
No, I don't know. No.
I'm
good.
okay.
Yeah, he's okay.
मैंने नीचे से उसको पैसे दिए हैं ये बोलने के.
Yes. Thank you so much guys and thank you Sushi.
Always.